Look, we're doing this again. It's the month of March, and Maryland ran their RMT today. The day I'm recording this, March 31st, Maryland ran their RMT. I could not get it, so I started recording for WDVM. And going in, I expected a scroll-only test because for some reason, when WDVM goes off on the daytime test, and only the daytime test, it's scroll only. And I think I know why. It's because at night they self-originate. And it's just fine when they self-originate. But during the day, they pull from another, they either pull from CAP, which is what they did this month, or they pull from another station. I think it's WSCL they pull from. I think. Don't remember who they pull from in January. But I got exactly what I expected. Scroll only. Cat was sent at 10:07 this month. And see, they pull from CAP. And every time they pull from CAP or another station, it's scroll only. And I don't think they're setting it to scroll only. Because, like I said, at night when they self-originate, it's just fine. I think their end deck has an issue with pulling audio from another station. So, next month, I'll send another recording. They should self-originate, they should do it just fine. But in May, we're going to put them to the test again. And we're going to see if who they pull from and if they have audio. They probably won't. Thank you.